All right, guys, we are back. Thanks for hanging with me. So we went ahead and I was able to go ahead and get around the entire car. I did not have to compound the car. Like I said, I did a one-step with Sonex Perfect Finish and the yellow Rupes pad. So I went ahead and wiped the car down with Geon Prep. The car is ready to go. I am going to go ahead and apply one layer of Power Lock Plus, let that haze over, remove it, wait a couple hours, and then I will go ahead and do 2 layers of Colinite 845, giving that some time to set up in between coats. So let's go ahead and get started with the Power Lock Plus. I'm using these small applicator pads that I have, and I am going to just use it in circles. I'll start at the top of the car and work my way around the entire car. So from my understanding of this, once I get from the top around the car, I should be able to go ahead and remove it. I'm just using very light pressure as well. And like I said, it's hot, so excuse the fan noise, but I would be dying in here without the fan. And I'm hoping with this Power Lock Plus Colinite application that I get some remarkable finish on the car. That's my hope. But we'll see when I'm done. So I won't keep you guys here while I get around the entire car. I'll go ahead and keep working at it and bring you guys back when it's time to remove the product. All right, see you in a few. All right, guys, we are back. I have the camera off of the tripod because I just wanted to show you guys that the entire car has been coated in Power Lock Plus. I tried to put as thin a layer on it as possible. And I know the guys said that taking it off is very easy. So as you guys see, the car has been completely covered in Power Lock Plus. I will go ahead and put you guys back on the tripod and let it finish hazing up and start the removal. I'll bring you guys back at that point. All right, guys, so it's probably been 30-35 minutes or so. It's been a little bit longer than that. because it took me a little bit of time to get around the entire car. And it looks like it's hazed up pretty good to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I'm gonna try these Creature Edgeless. They are 420 GSM. So I'll see how they remove the Power Lock Plus. They are two-sided. You know, it's got the lower pile nap here and the thicker stuff on this side. So let's see how this works. I know Matt over at Obsessed Garage, not to keep talking about him, but you know, this is his thing, so I might as well give him credit for it. So Matt, you say it's easy to come off. Let's check it out. Oh wow. All right, Matt, looks like you were right. This comes off nice, man. Nice and smooth like butter. And these Creature Edgeless towels are taking it off no problem. So yeah, that's nice. Yeah. All right, I gotta give you the 2 thumbs up, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and ooh. All right, so yeah, I'm happy with the Power Lock Plus right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the Power Lock off the car. I was reading the directions. It says to wait, if I wanted to do 2 coats of Power Lock Plus, to wait 3 hours before I add another layer. I'm not gonna do another coat of Power Lock. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the Colinite 845. So I'll have to wait 3 hours for that and let it and go ahead and apply the Colinite 845. Let that haze up, take it off. I'm sure that I'm gonna have to wait another couple hours or so to get another coat on here. But I'll finish reading this and see what I need to do. I was really trying to get the car done today so that it can sit overnight, and then I know it's gonna haze up tomorrow. The oils will probably be coming out of there, and do my regular standard wash. So anyway, enough of my chattering. Let me go ahead and finish getting the Power Lock off the car. But he is right, smooth as butter. Absolutely effortless. Yeah, dude, guys, I'm really happy with this so far. I'm glad that I tried it. We'll see what it looks like after I finish. All right.